Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto easily. First, select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that offers strong security features and a wide range of assets. Next, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, which typically involves submitting a government-issued photo identification. Finally, link your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, to your exchange account to fund your initial crypto purchases. This setup ensures a smooth and secure buying experience. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds using various methods like a bank transfer, debit card, or even a wire transfer. After funding, explore the exchange's interface to locate the specific cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Input the exact amount you wish to invest, perhaps $100 or $500, and carefully review all transaction details before confirming your buy order. This process is usually quick and straightforward. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account to add an extra layer of protection. For significant holdings, consider moving your crypto from the exchange to a personal hardware wallet, which offers superior security against online threats. Stay vigilant against common scams and phishing attempts. Never share your private keys or sensitive information with anyone. Protecting your assets is crucial. To become a savvy crypto investor, always conduct thorough research on any cryptocurrency before investing. Understand that the market can be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating by 10% or more in a single day. So only invest funds you are comfortable losing. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Diversifying your portfolio and staying informed are key to long-term success in this exciting space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.